Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2019 Scout 215 XSF. We'll start off here at the transom. On the starboard side, we have a really nice transom walkthrough with a lockable door, great for keeping kids or dogs safe in the cockpit. We have two swim platforms, both port and starboard, and a splash well in between. This boat is equipped with a digital throttle and shift 150 Yamaha XCA motor. We've got 4 rod holders along the transom, 2 cup holders that are plumbed and drained, and then recessed cleats. This boat also has a freshwater washdown, which is located on the back side of the transom, and your freshwater fill is just to the starboard side. Standard on this boat, we do have a large bait well that can also serve as a raw water washdown. This bait well is also lighted. This stern seat is currently in the stow position, which is nice. It gives you a little bolster for fishing. And then deployed like so. Double wide seat, good and comfortable for 2 people. And just stows away really easily like that. Here at the helm, we've got 4 welded rocket launchers integrated into the backside of the helm seat, 3 cup holders, a 72-quart igloo cooler is standard. We've got undergunnel rod storage beneath the port and starboard side, LED rope lighting beneath each side of the bolsters, in addition to the courtesy lights on either side of the console, and we also have LED spreader lights both fore and aft built into the hardtop. So this boat looks really nice when illuminated at night. Moving further forward to the helm seat, we've got individual bolsters that work independently of each other, so your passenger can sit while your driver leans. Nice footrest, really well done and well appointed dash area. This boat is equipped with a 9-inch touchscreen from Garmin, of course digital throttle and shift from Yamaha, digital gauges from Yamaha, LED trim tab indicators, Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Got a little storage area here with charging ports for your devices, more cup holders, adjustable tilt steering wheel, nice half windshield, and then plenty of places for your passengers to hold on to if they're not seated around the console. Got lots of room for storage. It's in the console of this 215 XSF. You can equip this boat with a porta potty. And then the best place of the boat is the bow seating area. Got a huge chase lounge forward with really deep storage beneath. Armrests are built into the T-top or hardtop, but you can easily, comfortably seat 2 adults or a parent and a child on this forward seat. Backrests are moved really easily, so you can open up this space if you're going to do any cocktailing or dining. U-shaped seating in the bow. Quite a bit of room for a 21-foot boat. You can also bracket mount a picnic table right here, which we can do through our service department. Storage beneath both sides of the bow area on the 215, all drained out, finished. Access to your anchor line is beneath this forward hatch, and your anchor is stored forward here. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island. Give us a call at 843-747-1889 and visit us online at marinemax.com if you have any questions about Scout's 215 XSF or any of our other boats. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.